driving round Lavington, I seem to have spotted the one and only wow sight and sound. Now, I know some of you think that there's two wow sight and sounds in Lavington. Yes, I'm talking to you, Hayley. But in fact, there's only one. This would be the one and only wow sight and sound in Lavington. Oh, and isn't she stunning? Stunning! Stunning! Anyway, we continue our tour around Lavington. Oh my God! I've spotted the one and only Grant's Mitre 10. Grant's home and trade, in fact. Oh, isn't it marvellous with its blue roof, its white building? Oh, it's just stunning. Stunning. Look at it, isn't it stunning? Do you like Benchmarks? My name is Sue. How do you do? Oh, darlings, I hate to leave you, but I must go. People here need me for more than just tourists. Au revoir. Sayonara. Kiss, kiss, darling.